Otter.ai AI review. Watch before using. Otter.ai is one of the most popular AI-powered transcription services, designed for professionals, students, and businesses that need accurate, real-time speech-to-text conversion. It offers automatic transcription for meetings, lectures, and interviews, integrating seamlessly with platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. The standout feature is its real-time transcription, which allows users to see text appear as they speak. It also supports speaker identification, keyword highlighting, and summary generation, making it more than just a basic transcription tool. For accuracy, Otter.ai performs well in quiet environments with clear speech, but struggles with heavy accents, background noise, or technical jargon. It supports multiple languages, but isn't as strong in non-English transcriptions. If you're dealing with highly technical discussions, expect some manual corrections. However, the ability to edit and refine transcripts within the app is a plus. The AI also generates smart summaries, pulling out key points from conversations, which is useful for professionals who need quick takeaways. Who is this for? If you're a journalist, student, podcaster, or business professional needing quick, searchable transcripts, Otter.ai can be a game changer. The free plan gives you 300 monthly minutes with basic functionality, but the paid plans unlock more features like advanced export options, custom vocabulary, and increased transcription limits. If you frequently attend meetings, Otter's ability to auto-join and transcribe them in real time can save hours of note-taking. However, for legal or medical professionals who require near-perfect accuracy, human transcription services might still be necessary. The biggest downsides? First, accuracy drops in noisy settings or when multiple people speak at once. Second, the free plan is limited, so power users will likely need a subscription. Third, while Otter claims to be secure, storing sensitive data in the cloud always carries some risk. Businesses handling confidential conversations should evaluate whether Otter's security features meet their needs. Final verdict: Otter.ai is a solid choice for AI-driven transcription, especially for general business and academic use. If you need fast, searchable transcripts with AI-generated summaries, it's worth trying. Just keep in mind its limitations in accuracy, security concerns, and subscription pricing. If those factors don't bother you, Otter.ai can be a huge time saver.